Hello guys, so today we're going to make this super soft and foolproof chiffon cake. Let's start with the ingredients. So for the egg yolk mixture, we have cake flour added with baking powder and pinch of salt. We also have milk, oil, sugar, and egg yolks. And for the meringue, we have egg whites, sugar, and cream of tartar. First, we're going to prepare the egg yolk mixture. So in a bowl, you will add your egg yolks and followed by the sugar. So you're going to mix them together before adding the oil. And lastly, we're going to add the milk. And from here, you will add the dry ingredients. So you're going to sift them directly on the wet ingredients, and you're going to mix them as you add these dry ingredients. So you will add them gradually, and also sifting will help to prevent any lumps on the cake batter. So right there, as you can see, you need to mix them together until the batter is smooth. And for the meringue, you're going to mix your egg whites using the stand mixer until frothy before adding the cream of tartar. So from here, you're going to mix your egg whites from low speed to medium speed before adding the sugar gradually. So you're going to add your sugar in batches and make sure that you mix them in between those batches. After adding all the sugar, you're going to mix the meringue mixture from medium to high speed and just wait until the meringue form a medium stiff peak. Just like this. We now have the meringue and the egg yolk batter in separate bowl. And what we're going to do now is we're going to mix them to make the chiffon batter. Here we just add the meringue in batches and then fold them and cut them gently so you can get a very light chiffon cake batter. After mixing, you put it on your cake pan, and since this is a chiffon cake, we don't need to grease the pan. Tap the pan, and then in 165 degrees Celsius preheated oven, we're going to bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. After baking, you need to test your cake and then cool it. Using a baking spatula, you can just remove the cake from the pan, just like what I'm doing here. And now we have this very soft and foolproof chiffon cake. So for the ingredients, please refer to the description below. Thank you for watching.